considering Azalea Boracay Hotel. This video is for you. We recently stayed here with our baby.
In this video, we'll show you the room, amenities, location, and our honest thoughts after staying here. Is it worth the price? Let's find out. We arrived here after our transfer from the airport. The check-in process was smooth and the staff were accommodating. One thing we immediately noticed was how spacious and family-friendly the hotel felt compared to some of the smaller accommodations we've stayed in before.
Deluxe room nila. Ano mong makikita yung CR. Nalagyan na kasi namin ng damit eh. Pero okay yung CR nila. Lavabo, may shower area, may free towel. Ito damit ko. Nag-base na kasi ako eh. May free tissue. Tapos dito may lavabo din. Maghuhugas ng plato. Ayan, may pakuluan. May induction. Sabi doon sa baba, libre daw or pwede daw na magluto. Tapos merong microwave oven, merong ref, merong table dito and chair. Tapos merong bedroom, dalawa, may TV, may working area, tapos aircon, tapos malaking mirror. Tapos ito, yan. Kita na yung labas. Kapag pumunta ka dito sa kaliwa, ito yung highway. Tapos dito sa kanan, dito na yung pinaka-beach. Ganda. So, binayaran namin dito 11,000 plus 4 days and 3 nights. Za, maganda ba? Okay ba, boss? Boss, okay, boss?
After checking out the room, it's time to see one of the perks included in our stay, the complimentary buffet breakfast here.
Ito yung breakfast area, guys. Ito yung mga foods, guys. Ano yun? Soup?
Soup tayo.
Jrey. Sinigang. Ano yun? Sinangang. Ano yung tawag ko yun?
Sir.
Egg. Pansit. Sino. Sausage.
Anak-anak mo siya. Basag mo.
Dilis gulay. May bread.
Ayaw mo yung pansit. Hindi ako nga.
Meron pa pang salad doon. Ito yung mga nakuha namin, guys. Kumukuha pa si Mina ng ibang pagkain. Yan, may sausage, may vegetables, fruits, tosino atate, tapos egg, bread, cereal, coffee. Ang dami pa dun. Hindi pa kami nakakuha ng iba.
Of course, when staying at a family-friendly hotel, one thing you don't want to miss is the swimming pool. Let's see what have to offer here.
Maliligo si Ducky Boy. Wow.
After staying here for our Boracay trip, we can say that Azalea Boracay is a solid option for families, couples, and even groups looking for a comfortable place to stay. What we liked most was the spacious room, the kitchenette, the complimentary breakfast, and the family-friendly atmosphere of the hotel. While it's not directly beachfront, the location is still convenient enough to reach the beach, restaurants, and other attractions around Station 2. For families traveling with young kids like us, having extra space and useful amenities definitely made our stay more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other family travel and toddler-friendly destination reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next adventure.